So today we're gonna rent a buggy. Mieten ein Buggy. Ja, spannend Abenteuer. Ja. Wir haben den Buggy. We have the buggy. The guy is thanking 25 Euro. So, first stop in Tigaki, the salt lake, and there should be flamingos. On the internet it says only in winter time. We'll have a look. Yes, there are flamingos. Wow. Normal ist hier voll mit Touristen, aber wir sind früh. Down there we were at the lake, and now Zia. Zia early in the morning, still empty. In 2 hours it will be completely full here. Very nice landscape. Hello, my friend. Aber der muss ein bisschen aufpassen, hä?
Die macht.
So, Testudo greca, the Moorish turtle. You can have a look. It is a female, een Weibchen, small tail. And you can see the anal plate is one piece, not split in two. So this is not Testudo hermanni, but that does not live on KOS anyway. Testudo greca. What do I do now? Because it's here alongside the road. Maybe I put it in the forest here. I help it cross the road. Go. Have fun. Ciao.
Ich hoffe, du weißt, wo wir hinfahren, ne?
Nee.
Ja, das ist aber schön. Ja. Max Verstappen hier. Oh Gott.
Jetzt musst du filmen, ja?
Ach nee, das ist wieder das Gleiche. Aber es aussieht.
Looking for some reptiles. If you rent a buggy, you can hold everywhere. Sehr schön. Geil, oder? ride with me?
Ja klar komme ich mit.
Keine Ahnung.
Aber keine große Stück. Oh Gott! Nein, 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 nein.
Keine Ahnung.
Hat Spaß gemacht, ne? Sehr klein.
Open space and saying goodbye, packing all your stuff and leaving home sweet home. Spreading your wings, rising high with the sun, flying all the way down to the promised land. Promised land. Lost and found, traveled the world and looked around. Your home can be everywhere. Find the right place to live there. So open your eyes and live your dream. Make first steps, for it's easier than it seems. Spreading your wings, rising high with the sun, flying all the way down to the promised land. Promised land. Promised land. Promised land. Promised land. Promised land. So open your eyes and live your dreams. Make first steps, for it's easier than it seems. Spreading your wings, rising high with the sun, flying all the way down to the promised land. Promised land. Promised land. Promised land. Promised land. Promised land. Open space and saying goodbye, packing all your stuff, coming home sweet home.
So we made this tour all over the whole island and back. We started in KOS city, drove alongside the beach to Tigaki. There we saw some flamingos as well. Then we went here like this to Zia. We were there early in the morning, so there were no tourists yet. And then we went to Pili, via Pili to Cardamena, so the first beach. And then back to the airport, had some ice in Antalmachia. And then we went on, there's the airport, yeah, to the Kefalos area. And first saw Paradise Beach, but I think it's better to quickly go on to this bay, the Kefalos Bay, where there are also other beaches, Magic Beach and whatever. And then we went all the way back to KOS and we arrived there 7:30 in the evening. Very nice day for only 70 euros.